Hey Skillers, welcome back to the channel. A few weekends ago, went car shopping. Stick around, I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, so a few weeks ago I went to a church rummage sale. They were selling all kinds of things at the rummage sales. I was walking up and down the parking lot lanes and came across a tub, a big blue tub. This big blue tub, full of Lionel train cars. Opened up the tub, and the first car I came up with was this red caboose, a Lionel SP 6257. What does 6257 mean? That's the car number car. And that number has relevance also, and we can look up the history and when this car was built. And I'll show you that in a little bit later. So this episode is, we're going to go through the cars that I bought, and I bought them unseen. So we're going to open it up right now, and we're going to take a look at these cars and see what we got. So stick around. All right, I got the tub on the ground here, so let's take a look what we got here for cars. This doesn't look like a Lionel. I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to do a little more research on that. But it's a Virginia Truckee old boxcar. Wabash covered hopper. Southern Pacific Express Railway car, pretty cool. This is K-Line. Rio Grande, 9737. I can look that up and see what the year is, but I can see right here, Lionel, built 274. Jesse caboose. Wow. Wabash hopper. Santa Fe, maintenance away. Coupling's good, look good. Wheels spin. This has got wires in here, so I bet you there's lights in here that light up. See if that works. Baltimore, Ohio. Oh look, two different colors. I wonder if this thing's worth something since it's got two different colors. I'll have to do research. Again, 9783. I'll have to look that up. Talking about looking up these cars, 9403. So this is a Seaboard Coastline. I got this book. It's called Greenberg's, it's a pocket guide for Lionel Trains. This is a 2006 edition, but most of these cars are probably made before 2006, so they'll probably be in this book. But if you look up this book here, that number I was talking about, like on the first caboose, the 6257, if you bring it up here, that's a post-war one. It was built between 1945 and 1969. So if I look up here, 6257 says Lionel SP type caboose. And it shows here's good and there's excellent. So it's that thing was only worth $3 or $13. So, but I'm curious on that Baltimore, Ohio. I'll have to do some more research in this book and see if it has a defect in there and it might be worth some more money. You never know. But let's get back to pulling some cars out. I'll put a description in the show notes here on where you can obtain this book if you want to get a guide to see what the value of your cars are. Baltimore, Ohio. Old Gulf 3-dome tank car. Last row. DX refrigerator car. Interesting. Railway Express refrigerator car. Chicago Northwestern. Cool box car. Wheels run. Seaboard Systems. And last but not least, Chesapeake, Ohio boxcar. So a lot of boxcars. Well, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these, get these all cleaned up, make sure the wheels are running, get the couplers running, and get these out on the layout, and we'll run some trains with them. Stick around. All right, guys, so I'm back in the garage here. Hey, I wanted to take a little better look at this Baltimore, Ohio boxcar, 9783. So I got the book here, and then what I noticed, if you look here, we had a different color, but then I noticed right here is the same color as what we have on this side of the car. So I think this thing was maybe sitting out in the sun or something and got faded. Maybe this was, not sure. But looking in the book, if you can go here, if you can see here, I'll bring the book up a little bit to you here. 9783, the Baltimore, Ohio time saver boxcar, built between 77 and 78. Excellent condition, going for $24. New, going for $26. So this is definitely not new and definitely not in excellent condition. But hey, it's a boxcar for the layout. So we're going to go ahead and put it out there, get it all cleaned up, and get some of the dust here off. And like I said, clean the wheels and get them ready for rolling. So stick around. Okay, guys, that's it for now. We're going to wrap it up. We're going to run these trains a little bit more and get these wheel boxes all greased up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.